Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Let's start another subsection. So presently we are into section 179 subsection 1, and 179 subsection 1 may we were talking about what powers company has that powered board of directors can have. First proviso, second proviso. First proviso was talking about certain restrictions on those powers, and second proviso was talking about reservations of powers for shareholders. So whatever is written in second proviso, that powers cannot be enjoyed by whom, sir? Your board of directors, sir. Okay, chaliye sir, let's talk about another important aspect, which is 179 subsection 3 and 4 to be read along with rule number 8. Okay, so first focus is on 179 subsection 3 read with rule number 8, then we will discuss subsection number 4, sir. Okay, so what is this talking about, sir? Board shall का मतलब क्या है सर? कंपल्सरी. So there is no option left, है ना? Board shall exercise following powers by passing a resolution in board meeting. Sir, I already told you, sir, board of directors can function, है ना, in either taking their decision by passing resolution in board meeting, or they can take their decision by passing resolution by circulation without conducting board meeting, or they can delegate the powers. But sir, here what this subsection is saying, sir, the law has identified certain powers. Law has identified certain powers which board of directors can exercise only by conducting a board meeting and by passing a resolution, obviously, sir. So meaning क्या है, sir? Can these 13 powers be exercised by board of directors in a circular resolution manner? Answer is no. Always it should be exercised by passing resolution at board meetings. I hope you understood, sir. So very strictly 179 subsection 3 is saying, sir, we have identified certain powers. These powers board of directors will enjoy only in board meeting by passing resolution, sir. Now what are those 13 powers? Now remember one point, sir. 13 powers, all 13 are not written in the act. 10 powers are written in the act. 3 powers are written in the rules. Sir, 9, why did you write? When rule 8 was introduced for the first time, there were 9 powers. Now subsequently we repealed 6 powers. Now 3 powers are only there, sir. So can I say, अगर दोनों को मिलाया जाए 10 plus 3, 13 powers. So these 13 powers board of directors are going to enjoy only in what, sir? Board meeting. So these powers board of directors will exercise only in board meeting, sir. Clear? So now we have to understand what are those 13 powers. Okay, पहला power, sir, make calls. तो obviously unpaid calls है. Now company has to make a call. So unpaid call से we have to make a call. So board of directors have to take this decision that can be done by board meeting only by passing board resolution. Sir, buyback under section 68, again board of directors, board resolution, sir. Sir, issue securities including debentures. Even lawmakers would have not written this, it would have sufficed, because securities is a very wide term which also includes debentures, sir. Whether in India or outside India. So can I say outside India they are talking about ADRs, American deposit receipt, global deposit receipts, etc., sir. Okay, borrowing money, sir. So who is borrowing money? Company is borrowing money. Investment matlab company is making the investment, sir. So where investment has to be done, sir, again board of directors will take this decision by passing board resolution in the board meeting, sir. Again giving, granting loan, guarantee, security. Here 3 words you have to remember, sir. One is loan, one is guarantee, one is security. Okay, now the answer sunna, how you should understand. Sir, grant loan, give guarantee or provide security in respect of loan. Again, grant loan or give guarantee or provide security in respect of loan. Let us talk about, sir, what they are saying, sir. Now, sir, company X Limited, they are giving loan. They are giving what, sir? Loan. Sir, loan to whom they are giving, sir? Immaterial. That's the reason I say there is a very wide coverage. So to whom you give loan, immaterial hai. Company is giving loan, yes. So such decision, whether loan should be given or not, board of directors should take this resolution decision by passing resolution in what, sir? Board meetings. Okay, now sir, here the company has made indirect loan, sir. Sometimes, now imagine the person to whom they are making loan is Mr. 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 Uh, Mr. S. Chalo, Mr. S is the person, sir. Okay. Now imagine company X Limited. This time, what they do, sir? They are giving guarantee. They are giving guarantee to a particular bank. Who is giving loan? To whom, sir? This Mr. S, sir. So now in this case, did company directly give loan? No, but they have given guarantee, sir. Now this guarantee is given in connection to loan. In connection to loan, or company has given certain assets of their to the bank. So can I say this time they have given security, again in connection to loan. So always ensure that guarantee security you can give for any purpose, but here we are talking about what, sir? In connection to loan. Isliye what is the three words you should remember, sir? Company is giving what, sir? Loan, or providing guarantee, or providing security or guarantee in connection to what, bacha? Loan. Sir, sometimes what may happen, sir? We are using the words loan, we are using, sir. We are using a word guarantee, we are using a word security, sir. Now, one class of people, sir, everywhere they use a word give. Giving loan, giving guarantee, giving security. Sir, is it a wrong term to use? I don't say it is wrong term to use, but I don't say these are terms used by lawmakers. Sir, lawmakers use very specific words for specific these things, sir. Sir, loan के लिए always they use a word grant. Loan के लिए always they use a word what, sir? Grant. Grant the loan, sir. Sir, for guarantee they always use a word give. Giving guarantee. For security they use a word provide. So I also request you people to use such words, sir. So whenever there is a security, we provide security. Whenever there is a grant, whenever there is a guarantee, we give the guarantee. Whenever there is a loan, we give the loan, sir. So in this way, if you can write, your language will also be good and marks also will be very high, sir. Clear hai bacha? Next, approving what, sir? Financial statement. Remember, not adoption of financial statement. Adoption of financial statement will be done by shareholders in the AGM, sir. Here we are only talking about what, sir? Approving financial statement. Approving board report, sir. Okay, so that is the point, sir. Now, what do you mean by diversify? Matlab company is going into new business, sir. So say for example, I was into automobiles only. Now I also went into software business, sir. Example, Mahindra. So they were only in automobile business. Then they go for Tech Mahindra also. This is diversification, sir. Sir, approving any amalgamation, any merger, any reconstruction. You can remember this as MAR. So can I say you are doing TIR-MAR? What is that MAR, sir? Merger, amalgamation and reconstruction, sir. Or takeover. So you are doing big things, sir. Do you think big things can individual person do on their own? Answer is no. So board of directors, you please sit at one place and ensure that you do this by passing board resolution. So do you think in all these 10 items, now till now we have discussed 10 items only, sir. Sir, participation through electronic means is possible? Always possible, sir. Sir, only thing is if it is restricted items, those 5 items if you remember, sir, if it is within the restricted items of rule number 4, sir, then in such cases what we have to ensure is if physical meeting should be, a physical quorum should be present. If physical quorum is present, then other directors can participate through electronic means, sir. Sir, these are all 10 points which are mentioned in the act. Now we are discussing 3 points which are mentioned in the rules. Which rules, sir? Rule number 8. Sir, making political contribution, chanda. You are giving chanda to whom, sir? Political parties. So here, whether to give that contribution or not, political contribution or not, again board of directors, board resolution, sir. Appointment and removal of whom, sir? Key managerial person. Now, if you remember, I already discussed somewhere, key managerial persons will be including 8 persons, sir. Now, more about this we will be discussing in next chapter, because next chapter, chapter number 13, is exclusively talking about key managerial people ka appointment only. But still, you remember 8 people: MD, WTD, manager, and a CEO, CFO, company secretary, any person who is designated as KMP, one level below the rank of director, and next is such other person, sir. So these 8 people are nothing but KMP, sir. Next is appointment of whom, sir? Internal auditor, not statutory auditor. Statutory auditor will be appointed by shareholders only. And secretarial auditor, sir. So secretarial auditor ka appointment, internal auditor ka appointment, sir. and next is appointment and removal. Here one key thing what you have to remember, sir, for KMP, appointment also, removal also will be taken care by board of directors in board resolution, sir. But for the sake of internal auditor and secretarial auditor, only appointment we are talking about, not removal, only appointment. Here appointment also, removal also, but there it is only appointment. So whenever you have to do this 13 works, or whenever you have to exercise these powers, 13 powers, board of directors, please exercise these powers by passing a resolution in board meeting, sir. I hope you understood. Sir, is there any way of remembering this 13 points? How we can remember? I am there, no, don't worry. ये देखिए सर, तो एक छोटा सा चार्ट है ना, I have prepared, sir, for your easy reference. Okay, what we will do, sir, एक company, let us assume, which is Reliance. Now this is Reliance का balance sheet. Okay, so one side is liabilities, one side is asset. So can I say when you make a call, है ना, तो obviously your liability will increase. देखो, call liability increase. So can I say it is nothing but shares only, no? Sir, when you buy back, obviously your shares will decrease. Again, it is a matter related to shares only. Sir, issue securities, matlab again shares will increase. So can I say you can remember 3 points relating to say shares. So one is what? Making calls. Second is what, sir? Buyback. And third is what, sir? Issuing of securities. Easy way mein you can remember, sir. 3 points are over. Then can I say again liabilities is increasing? Kaise? Because you are borrowing the money. Sir, after borrowing the money, what you are doing, sir? Investing. Dekho, investing you have done, sir. Sir, again you are granting loan. Can I say giving loan is also an asset for you, sir? So can I say this will come under 6th point. So whenever you write loan, also remember GS. What is GS, sir? Giving guarantee also and security also, sir. है ना? So guarantee के लिए give है, provide security, sir, and grant for loan, sir. Agreed or not? These are the points. So can I say out of 13, 6 points are over. Now tell me, sir, how you will remember 4 points relating to liabilities? What are those, sir? First, calls you are making, sir. Second, you are buying back the shares and issuing the securities. Can I say then you are borrowing the money? आंदो के बाद जान दो. What is जान दो? Money is going on. So can I say it is investment, and next is granting loan or giving security or giving guarantee or security in connection to what, sir? Loan. So can I say 6 points you will remember. Okay, next how you will remember, sir? Reliance. Can I say one business mein they were, now they are doing another business. So remember upar Reliance you write another business. So can I say this is nothing but diversify. 7th point will come, sir. Diversify के लिए 7th point will come. Now can I say this is balance sheet? Now balance sheet को what they have to do, sir? Approval. So remember approval of financial statement, approval of board report. So can I say this is 8th point. Now again, sir, in the balance sheet only 6 points. Above the balance sheet I discussed 2 points. One is you are going to new business, that is diversification, and one is you are giving the approval of financial statement or board report, sir. Another wala, can I say Reliance is now doing MAR with whom, sir? Another company. Merger, amalgamation, reconstruction, and whenever you write those 3 words, also remember takeover. So can I say 9th and 10th point are over. Very easy way mein, sir. So can I say within the balance sheet you will remember 6 points, upar of balance sheet you will remember 4 points, sir. 10 points easily remembered, sir. Clear hai bacha? Now sir, that is different thing. Yes, we are not remembering clause wise. Now can I say 179 subsection 3 if you write, that is more than enough, sir. For 3 items clause wise you should remember. I will tell you what are those, but abhi ke liye our first task should be whether we are able to remember those 13 points or not, sir. So 13 points mein 10 points are over. All these 10 points were discussed in what? Act. Agreed or not? Now let us discuss additional 3 powers which are written in rules. Rule number 8. What are those additional 3 powers, sir? Sir, in profit and loss account, you are making political contribution. So can I say this will come under your expense side? So here political contribution. 11 points you can easily remember, sir. Now 2 points you have to buttify. What are those? Appointment. Sir, appointment of auditors. Which auditor? Internal auditor and secretarial auditor, sir. Next, appointment and removal. Appointment or removal of whom, sir? KMP. So can I say 2 points of appointments? Easily we can remember this. I hope you like the technique of remembering these 13 points, sir. Clear, bacha? So these are some powers which board of directors can exercise only by passing resolution in board meeting. Board meeting is compulsory. If you don't conduct the board meeting, you cannot exercise these powers. Now let us understand एक और एक point, sir. Sir, when lawmakers wrote that provision, they were very strict. 13 powers always should be exercised in the board meeting only. बहुत सख्त थे, but बाद में पिघल गए. చాలా గట్టిగా ఉండే తర్వాత now they have loosened up, sir. Then they say with respect to 3 powers. What are those, sir? Provided in clause D, E and F. What is D, E and F, sir? Sir, D is borrowing money, E is investment, F is granting loan or providing security or giving guarantee, sir. Okay, D, E, F. Now how you remember? D, आंदो, आंदो मतलब borrowal. Then E, जान दो. First you will make investment, then you will give guarantee, sir. Sorry, guarantee bolo. Or you can easily use a word LGS. What is LGS, sir? Loan guarantee security, sir. Clear hai? So one is आंदो matlab get the money first, borrowal. Then E is what, sir? Investment. Then F is what, sir? LGS. So whenever company is taking these three decisions, board of directors may delegate this power by passing board resolution to whom, sir? Any of these five people, sir. Again, sir. Sir, these three powers, board of directors may delegate these powers to whom, sir? Any of these five people, sir. But ensure when they delegate, they should pass board resolution. So obviously this resolution should happen again in what, sir? Board meetings. Sir, who are those five people? All five we will give. We are saying any of these five people. Either you give to any committee of board of directors like audit committee, sir, or you give to managing director who is a big person, sir, or manager. We'll discuss more about these people in next chapter. Or you give to principal officer of the company. Who is principal officer of the company? Director of the company, sir. Or you give to principal officer of branch office. Now principal officer of branch office matlab branch manager. So can I say either of these five people ko you can delegate the powers. What are those powers, sir? Ando, that is borrowing money, and then E, F. What is E, sir? Making investment. F is nothing but LGS, loan guarantee security, sir. I hope you understood this point also. So this is your proviso to section 179 subsection 3, sir. I hope you understood this. Okay, chaliye sir. So up to here, I guess things are clear, sir. Clear. Now section 8 may, now they say DEF may be decided by board by circulation. मतलब section 8 company में we have given certain relaxation. इसलिए if you see, sir, all powers को I have put it in white color, sir, but these three powers को I have shaded it because these three का special treatment is done, sir. So in normal companies these powers can be delegated. In section 8 company these decisions can be taken by board of directors in circulation also, but normal company में always board resolutions. So you can see delegation 5 persons ko it is allowed, sir. So D to F, only D, E and F, sir. Okay, now can I say you can't write in exam DEF if you don't remember what is DEF. Isliye I am saying, sir, all 13 powers may whether you remember by clause wise or not is immaterial, but ensure that DEF you remember always by clause wise. Okay, now we have one explanation. What is this explanation, sir? Now I would like you people to read along with me, sir, though I cannot see you but I will see you, sir, है ना? तो ध्यान से please read this. In respect of dealings between the company and its bankers, so there is some dealing with company also and banker also. The exercise of powers conferred in D. Can I say D is nothing but borrowings? So company is doing some borrowings with their bankers. Okay, sir, means arrangement made by company with its banker for the borrowing of money by way of overdraft, cash credit or otherwise. Otherwise, matlab any way of taking borrowing, sir, or taking borrowings, and not the actual day-to-day operation on overdraft, cash credit or other accounts by means of which arrangement so made is actually availed of. Borrowings ke liye they have given you this explanation. Okay, now maybe some people might have not understood. I am giving you one scenario, please consider and answer this, sir. Sir, imagine company ka board of directors wanted some money, sir. So they have approached, so imagine company ka naam is Beggar Limited because they want money, and they have approached one bank, Dena Bank. Okay, now Dena Bank के पास गए और बोले देना, क्या देना? Loan देना, sir. Sir, that loan they are taking in the form of, imagine, cash credit or overdraft facility. Now can I say, whenever there is an overdraft facility, first you will fix one limit. Now imagine limit fixed was 10 crores, sir. So 10 crores tak hai na, you can always use the money, sir. Now imagine today company has entered into, company has purchased some goods, machinery or whatever it is, sir. So when company has purchased goods, company has to make payment, sir. Now they have made payment to one of their supplier, imagine 1 crore. So now my question to you people is, sir, in clause number D, you have said that whenever you are doing borrowings, For that borrowings, company should always pass board resolution in board meeting. So now my question is, for this 1 crore board resolution is required or for this 10 crore board resolution is required? Sir, today is 1 crore. Iska matlab still 9 crores you can use. Tomorrow it will be, say for example, 1 crore in the form of some other payments. Sir, 50 lakhs in another payments. So do you think for all these payments you will pass board resolution? Answer is no, sir. So here arrangement ke upar you have to pass the board resolution. Sir, this is just utilization. What are all these, sir? These are just utilization which are happening day to day basis. So here you have to pass board resolution only at the time of arrangements. This is what he is saying. Dekho, in respect of dealings between a company and its banker, the exercise the exercise by the company of the power specified in clause D shall mean, that is, borrowing shall mean arrangement made by company with the banker, that is 10 crore ka arrangement for the borrowing of the company by way of overdraft. Now can I say any way, any manner of arrangement, sir, but not what? Actual day-to-day operations, sir, in the form of overdraft, cash credit, etc. So because this is just utilization, I hope you understood. Now what is 179 subsection 4 talking about, sir? It is saying what? Restrictions on powers of board allowed. The company may in general meeting impose restrictions and conditions on exercise by the board of any powers specified in this section. Can I say we have already studied this in first proviso to 179 subsection 3, where I said 179 subsection 3 gives full powers to whom, sir? Board of directors. Now can company, that is shareholders, by passing a resolution put restrictions on that power? Answer is yes. So that is always possible, is what 179 subsection 4 says, sir. In short, we are putting some brakes on the powers which is used by whom, sir? Board of directors. This is 179 subsection 4. Clear? So next class we will discuss one of the beautiful section which is 180, sir. Thank you very much.